Today's bulletin is a bit different. Hi, my name is Faye Ratara and I'm from Helmsburg.
Hi, my name is Shai Noonan and I'm from Tennant Creek.
And welcome to YCTV.
Hi, my name's Zach. I'm from ABC Haywire and I'm at Urara this week delivering a couple of workshops about media literacy and also the Haywire program. My name's Zach. I'm from ABC. You guys know ABC? Yeah, so I'm from ABC in Western Australia down in Bunbury. That's in the southwest. What I do there is I'm a features reporter. So that means if there's anything kind of interesting going on in the community, anything exciting, anything new, I go out and I interview people. I find out what their story is and I capture it on camera, and then sometimes I'll write it up for an online article and I'll make a video, often to put on social media or sometimes on the TV. We find out how students are getting their news, and also we talk to them about how to make news work for them, how to find good information. So the idea with Haywire coming out to visit regional schools is that we'll support students to find their story, figure out what their story is, and help them tell that story and hopefully submit to the program and enter the Haywire competition. At Urara they've had many Haywire winners in the past.
So I smoked lots of weed and lots of things. I was drinking a lot of alcohol, so when I saw my big brothers I started following them.
So it's a real rich pool of student and talent and really positive people to draw from, and we feel incredibly lucky to be out here.
It's been really great for your family to see you on YCTV.
Yes, they were so happy to see me going and doing things good. And yeah.
What were some of the things that your family said when they saw you on YCTV?
They was very happy that I spoke up. And yeah.
With the media literacy program, we want to find out how students are using the news and also just learn about the best way for them to find the information that they need that's important to them. When we ran the Haywire workshop today, which is about students telling their story, and we just kind of support them to tell their story and learn about what they're passionate about and challenges that they've overcome, we had a few students really going for it, really writing down a lot of anecdotes and information about things that they'd been through and got through and strengths that they'd developed. Okay, and some of the responses here are just, oh, so good to read stories about families working together and the importance of community. What a great role model. All right, this is an incredibly important thing to do, to share a story. One of the teacher's aides came up to me after the class and said, oh, that was a really great moment because one particular student doesn't usually share their story about how difficult it was coming to the school and being away from family. So we feel really lucky to support students to tell those stories that might be a bit difficult for them to engage with and to share with other people. And that student actually did a quick interview with me afterwards and spoke about their experience, which was just amazing. It's just what you hope for when you come to a school like Urara.
And talking too much. Yeah. Nice to talk. And to make family proud. Your family proud too.
What are some of the things that your family say when they see you on YCTV?
They get so excited and say, I'm so proud of you. And they say, that's fantastic. And it's good that you're doing something for your life.
So they're really happy to see you here at school doing your thing?
Yeah.
And lastly, I just want to thank Urara College for inviting us out here. And we really hope that we can come back again. It's such an amazing place, an amazing school, and we feel really lucky to be here.
Thank you for watching YCTV.
We look forward on seeing you next Friday.